welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ali over here, and in today's video, I'll be drawing my new OC Adelina and I'll be watching some anime. So, if I say about Adelina, she's one of my cutest OC. And her ambition is to become a singer. Her name Adelina is very special to me as it was stuck on my head for almost 1 month. First I drew 2 sketches for her and I failed beautifully. Then I took some references from Pinterest and I again drew a sketch and decided not to change it. And I know that my editing skills is not that good, but I'm trying my best to improve. So this is the end result. I really love it. I hope that you love it too. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video and bye.